On the touch screen after startup, first, enter the boot interface respectively. Letters. Pause. Private internal in. Private vulva. Treatment range of dot matrix mode, generally used for facial and body treatment, such as facial rejuvenation, acne and pore contraction, surface pigmentation, body treatment, etc., such as stretch marks and scars. Click to enter the work interface, such as stretch marks and scars. Preview back. Ready. Point spacing, scanning times, scanning mode, adjustable different graphics. There are 6 graphics to adjust. Square for large area skin resurfacing, widely used to remove stretch marks. Round shapes are mostly used for acne scars. Small areas of skin such as moles, power used to adjust the energy. Adjustable range 1到60瓦. Usually round 时, it can be adjusted according to the energy that the customer can bear. Residence time, that is, point action time. Adjustable range 0.1到10.0毫秒. Usually around 1.0. Scan times, the number of times the dot is scanned. Range 1到20 times. Usually choose 1. Point spacing, the distance between the points of action. Range 0.2到2.0. 0.2 most dense, 2.0 most sparse. The smaller the number, the higher the heat accumulation, the greater the damage, but the better the effect. When the energy is higher, the distance between points should be increased appropriately. Scanning is divided into random, medium, and sequential. Orderly scanning is slightly more painful. Random scanning is less painful. Interval time, the rest time at that point. Left or right for resizing. Adjustable range 0.5到50毫秒. Usually around 1.0. After adjusting to appropriate parameters, click Preview. You can preview whether the graphics match the treatment area. If appropriate, press Get Ready. Then the treatment head is placed close to the skin. Step on the pedal and the instrument will emit light. After treatment, click Editing to enter standby mode. Install the dot matrix head on the light get arm and tighten it. Install the air pipe. This refers to all power size. Available range value 1到60瓦. It can be adjusted according to the energy that the customer can bear. Continuous pulse. Continuous output after pressing the full switch. Commonly used for medical treatment of double eyelids, eye bags, etc. Ultra pulse, often used to remove benign skin growths, such as senile warts, etc. Difficult operation during operation. This mode is not recommended for beginners. Energy 1到30 adjustable. The commonly used energy is 1, which is small. The smaller the relative damage. Repeated pulse, repeated light emission mode. Generally, beginners are advised to use this mode first. Relatively high safety, used to make small moles. Energy commonly used 4到6瓦. Remove the dot matrix head and replace it with the cutting head. Install the air pipe on the cutting head. Private mode is generally used for quick tightening, lightens pigmentation and increases secretion, balance pH to improve internal environment, improve stress urinary incontinence and other problems. Select any function, Click to enter the private inner vagina as follows. Preview back, ready, power, dwell time, points, line spacing, scan times, scan mode, number of scan lines. Click to adjust different graphics, line spacing, scan times, scan mode, number of scan lines. Square. The square needs to be used with a 45° elliptical reflector. Circular. Need to be used with a 360° conical reflector. Power used to adjust the energy. Adjustable range 1到60瓦. Usually around 10, it can be adjusted according to the energy that the customer can bear. Residence time, that is, point action time. Adjustable range 0.1到10.0毫秒. Usually around 1.0. Points. The number of points per line. Left or right for resizing. Adjustable range 1到20. Line spacing. The number of dots per line and the line spacing. Left or right for resizing. Adjustable range 0.1到10毫米. Interval time. The rest time at that point. Left or right for resizing. Adjustable range 0.5到50毫秒. Usually around 1.0. Scan times. The number of times the dot is scanned. Range 1到20 times. Usually choose 1. This refers to the number of circles, ranging from 1 to 50. This refers to the number of circles, ranging from 1 to 50. Tighten clockwise. Select the corresponding reflective surface. Installing the privacy bracket. Click to enter the private valve work interface as follows. Preview back, ready, power, dwell time, points, line spacing, scan times, scan mode, number of scan lines. Click to adjust different graphics, line spacing, scan times, scan mode, number of scan lines. Square. The square needs to be used with a 45° elliptical reflector. Circular. Need to be used with a 360° conical reflector. Power used to adjust the energy. Adjustable range 1到60瓦. Usually around 10, it can be adjusted according to the energy that the customer can bear. Residence time, that is, point action time. Adjustable range 0.1到10.0毫秒. Usually around 1.0. Point spacing, the distance between points. Available range 0.1到10. Scan times, the number of times the dot is scanned. Range 1到20 times. Usually choose 1. Interval time, the rest time at that point. Left or right for resizing. Adjustable range 0.5到50毫秒. Usually around 1.0.